In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradeStation Portfolio. We'll walk through Portfolio Maestro inside TradeStation so you can build a portfolio, attach strategies, run a backtest, and read the results with confidence. Start by opening TradeStation Desktop. From the top menu, go to View and choose Portfolio Maestro. If you prefer, you can also launch it from the Trading Apps panel. This opens TradeStation's portfolio-level strategy testing tool, which lets you evaluate how multiple strategies perform together rather than in isolation. Next, create a portfolio to hold your setups. Click Manage Portfolios, then New, and give your portfolio a clear, descriptive name. Good naming helps you stay organized as you experiment with different ideas or markets. Now it's time to add strategies. Click Add Strategy Group. Here, pick the strategy you want to test and the symbol list it will run on. A strategy group is helpful when you want to apply the same logic across several symbols, like a sector watch list or a set of futures contracts. If you're getting started, consider beginning with a small list so you can validate behavior quickly before scaling up. Before you run anything, set the portfolio's key parameters. Click Portfolio Settings. In Constraints, define rules such as maximum positions, position sizing limits, or capital allocation guidelines. In Portfolio Stops, establish protective limits at the portfolio level, such as a maximum drawdown or daily loss threshold, so testing reflects realistic risk controls. Set currency to the reporting currency you want, which ensures all results are summarized consistently, especially if symbols are from different regions. With the structure in place, run your backtest. Click Backtest Portfolio. Confirm or select the symbols you want to include. Then set costs to reflect commissions and slippage, since realistic costs can meaningfully affect performance. Adjust any strategy inputs you want to test, such as look-back lengths or thresholds, keeping notes so you can compare versions later. When you're ready, click Perform Backtest and let Portfolio Maestro process the run. Finally, analyze the results. Open reports to review the performance summary. Look at total and average profit, the equity curve, and drawdown to understand the depth and duration of declines. Examine the trade list to see how entries and exits behaved across symbols and whether profits are concentrated in a few names or broadly distributed. Pay attention to win rate, average trade, and profit factor, but always balance return with risk and consistency. That's the complete workflow. With a clear portfolio, well-defined settings, and careful review of reports, you can iterate quickly and build strategies that work together more reliably.